day on this.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome in, everyone.
Bubbles are still the same from the watch list.
What's up?
360 bounce on Tesla, something I will participate in.
What's up? No setups yet. How's everyone doing this morning? Oh yeah, let's try to make some money today. I'll let you know if I take anything. Greg is traveling today.
Nothing.
Yeah, Greg's traveling today.
What's up, Grizzly Clock?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. I thought you hated me.
No, I've been rushing all morning.
I thought you didn't want to talk to me anymore. Thought you were over me.
Tries to text me and blocked. I play.
You got anything I watched so far?
No, not yet. Just hanging out in the middle here. Previous day close.
I need to go grab a phone charger, so I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Gotta run upstairs. I'll be back. Gotta light this candle, get the... Oh, you know what's on the docket for today? For trading candle. Ooh, we got the one and only aromatherapy.
You say you're gonna buy your girl a new car? Well, hopefully she likes it, but I would probably just save the money for yourself. Little friendly advice. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm just saying. Just saying. Welcome in, everyone, on YouTube. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wake up.
If my phone dies, it dies. I don't like use an alarm or anything. I just wake up at like 5:30 just naturally. So.
Dude, I'm the same way anymore. I used to set an alarm. I don't have to set an alarm anymore.
No.
I wake up between 4:30 and like 5:10 every morning.
Yep, every day. And like if there's something real important, you know, like there was like something real important, right? It might set like an emergency alarm, but yeah, no, I just naturally wake up at 5:30 every day. It just happens. Get up, get after it.
What time do I go to bed? I try to be asleep by 10 every day.
Yeah.
If I'm
Texas.
If I'm Alright. If I'm awake past 10, there's usually something wrong. I got my workout in. I hit some legs. What'd you hit, Edwin? I don't see any more data this morning. Should be good to go.
We got bro, what do you say, bro?
I said I don't see any more data this morning. We should be good to go on trades. We find the setup.
Yeah, we have NFP tomorrow, so that should be a big mover too.
Yeah.
Should be a big mover for sure.
Is Trump speaking today?
Trump's always speaking.
It seems like.
So crazy. Just in 2025, you really got to be, I guess, till 2028 or 29, whenever Trump's not president anymore. You always just got to be careful. Like, you know, you could be in a position and one tweet rockets it up or down. That's something that I really learned in my first Trump market. Is you just got to really be careful. Always size for if price just rockets the other way. Well, if it brings this volatility, I don't give a crap how many terms there is. Give us volatility, let us make money. I'm down.
I have a feeling we'll have a Kennedy in next after Trump.
Give us volatility, I'm down. You know, whatever gives us money-making opportunities, count me in. Give us the freedom, so it matters. Uh-oh, hydrogen water's ready. Let's go.
The THC water's ready, huh?
Dude, oh my gosh. I haven't been high in like 7 years, dude. I can't imagine getting blazed and coming on and trying to trade. Pulling a rake.
Yeah. He does it, doesn't he? I don't know how, but he does.
Dave's on my feet. So get like me. Yesterday was 9 months of no alcohol, bro.
It's crazy, man.
No.
Glad you could do it.
3/4 of the year complete. Thanks, Dustin. Appreciate you, man. I don't even crave it anymore, dude.
That's me, man. I don't even like getting drunk anymore.
Tesla's getting close to my bounce level at 360, everybody. I mean, we're like $6 away, but we're basically halfway there. So if we get down to that 360 and reclaim it, I am in a try longs position, for the record. So if we reclaim that 360, I'll try the longs, likely set my stop below the previous wick low, and then if we break that low, I'll get out for a loss.
Are you in a trade? I'm sorry, I missed what you said.
No. I'm saying if we get to my level on Tesla at 360. I was just given the game plan before. If we get down to there, break it, reclaim it, I'll likely enter in the reclaim, set my stop below the previous candle low, and use that as my stop loss. So just giving me a game plan ahead of time. Hey, congrats, Brad.
I kind of look forward to Greg's trades of a morning. I don't always take them. I just like hearing them trade.
No, it's fun. GD, what brings you to voice this morning?
Not feeling too great.
Oh, it's just want to come hang out.
Yeah, and also I haven't been on here for a while, so I like stopping here once a week. still in pre-market range.
We miss you, baby. Glad you came back. We miss you, my boy.
I'm watching for the breakout of SPY and QQQ.
Need to upside.
Yeah, look for a breakout, and if your candle closes, see if there can be a gap formed, and then we can look for the retest.
Ooh, we're pushing right into my QQQ supply right now.
Let's go. Damn, Daydreamer, that's awesome, bro. That's all you, but I'm glad I could even be a small piece of it.
It's awesome, Daydreamer.
Sucks. I have some family coming to town today, and I have to leave early, but I just feel like the move is going to come when I leave.
You're just gonna have to move your family there, man.
I know. I tried, bro. I literally tried. If we could heal with a 1 minute gap.
Who you got in the Super Bowl, gentlemen?
Who do I got?
Yeah.
Eagles.
Eagles.
I hope the Eagles.
I was gonna ask you, who won the fantasy league you was in?
Oh, yeah.
Who was the winner there?
Yeah, why don't you have a look, Grizzly? Why don't you tell us?
I don't like to brag.
Yeah, Grizzly wants me to tell you all that he won the pick. Dude, it's bullshit, bro, because I was the first seed, you were the last seed, and you upset me in the first round.
Yep.
My running back, David Montgomery, got hurt.
I handpicked every player. Remember that.
And Grizzly upset me in the first round. I was literally #1 seed, bro. Comeback kid. Living legend. The miracle. The dreamer. And I got cooked.
You all know who I beat in the championship, right? Nemo.
You did beat me. The temptation to take longs is real, man. I'm gonna watch this next 5-minute can. Actually, this 5-minute candle doesn't look great, but the 1 minute looks decent.
GD said Brandon's team had 1 win.
Dude, Brandon's team was terrible.
GD probably just caused Brandon to end his live and everything. Come over here. All right. Oh, I was about to enter NQ shorts. It moved too fast. We got confirmation on QQ 5 minutes. Why?
But yeah, it was like the 5 minute. I was looking at the 1 minute and it looked decent to the upside. But when I looked at that 5 minute, I was like, yeah, no, this isn't it.
See if we
For
can get,
upside. So
yeah.
This looks good for downside.
if we can get a little retracement on that previous 5 minute, I'm gonna give some NQ a go, or some QQQ puts.
GD, isn't it that like if the Eagles win, we have like a recession every year? They win
Is it?
or something.
Philly sports. Every time the Philly sports have actually won, there is like something happened, like that, or a little recession or something.
I wouldn't mind a nice bear market personally.
Dude, honestly, I would love to see a bear stock market. I love making money to the downside.
Yeah, it makes the long term look a lot better next bull run as well.
Yep. I'll tell you what, the next crypto winter, I'm gonna be hurting bad. I'm gonna be buying more, but it's gonna hurt every day doing it.
I feel that. I bought SOL at the top last bull run. Held it all through the winter. Let's see what we can do here. I'm watching this area. I tried a small size of shorts here, everyone, on NQ. Just a small size, around the 800, 21,800. Not much risk. We break above this candle at 814. I'm just going to get back out. This is the only possible reject I see. We can wait on the close or break above. Don't you do it. It's going to. And it looked good. I don't know. Maybe another weird day.
Good old business still like our odds of testing the pre-market high on QQ. NQ. See how this 5-minute plays out. Plays out.
Yeah. Look great. Hopefully it's just not another weird morning for me. Sometimes I can't trade certain days.
Grizzly, for the win streak you were on, I think you're gonna be all right.
The previous 5-minute had some nice selling. I don't know. It may push up to pre-market high on NQ before it does. If we close above that, I would definitely get out 814. If you're not out already, if you didn't take the break above. Yeah, 814 exactly. Close above that, I would not be in. Yeah, anytime we take a trade, you have two. If you're trading with me, you have two choices. You can set a hard stop at where the level I'm watching to close above and get out at the initial break. Or you can wait on the 5-minute close as long as it don't have aggressive, moving the opposite direction. You don't want to let it do the winner or the losers run too much.
You still in Grizzly?
No, I'm not. I got out.
I wasn't listening. I was on my phone.
No, I got out of this one because we did close above that previous day. I mean, we got close above it and we broke that level. I've been watching the 3-minute some. I don't hate it, but from what I've seen, there are more false breakouts or more false signals with it. Lower time frame. One reason I try to keep the losses so small for us, a lot of people are trading unfunded. I mean on funded accounts. Don't want them hitting their drawdown.
Did we try it again, Grizzly?
I like shorts, yes. I don't want to give everyone another losing trade, though, if we do push back up. I'm going to leave more wiggle room on this entry. I gave it one more try once we lost the previous day high again, everyone, on shorts. $7.96, or sorry, $7.90. Let me look. $7.94 of my entry. Yeah, I'm short.
There you go.
You all can manage how you want. I would like to lose previous day close before I consider trimming if we do lose it.
If we lose 760, you can get aggressive down to like 740.
Just hope we don't see like we did yesterday, them aggressive candles back up and down in the chop. That's what got us.
Those are account killers, man.
Yeah.
Funded.
Yeah, NQ, that's what gets you. When you have the mornings that chop, that's the worst, your worst enemy trading NQ. You have to have sniper entries with, pretty straightforward moves, Let's go straight down. Straight down. Get a nice green day. My stop loss will be Well, I mean, you might want to manage your trade a little different than I am right now, but 30 points is typically my max. We can stop out of entry here if you're not comfortable. For me to consider trimming, we need to be below 21770.5. Doesn't make sense for me to trim before that.
Try a small piece of D2. Just moved like 8 points after that, but jumpy and shit game.
Come on, do it. Don't you bounce. Keep going. Keep going.
It's game time.
I'm moving my stop to entry, so this trade's not going red regardless if it doesn't trim or not.
I'm on a below 70.
I think we'll see aggressive push if we break it.
Above. So little. All stops at a little.
There we go. I got my first
There
trim
we
off.
go. I'm gonna trim that ad right there.
Nice.
It's not as good as yours, but
Still
you
nice
had
trim.
you had the king ad.
Just like that.
Piggybacked off yours.
Green Day.
But an okay entry. Nice job, Grizzly.
Appreciate it, man. Hopefully we can get some continuation here. That's what we need. One nice big winning trade.
We pop above 80, I'm gonna stop it even. Break even. Go, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
My stop loss is at entry.
Oh, dude! It did it.
That's what NQ likes to do.
It did it. I stopped it. Oh well. It's alright, I paid for dinner last night.
I'm still in mine, everyone. I still
didn't get as good as
didn't quite hit my entry yet. My entry is closer to that previous day high. But stop at your entry. Well, I got Team Bull muted. My entry is closer to previous day high, everyone. But stop where you entered, not where I entered. You don't want your trade to go red. I'm still in. I still have half my position.
It really is the JSI gonna fire?
It might. I hope so, honestly. If I'm being honest with you. Our next price target is going to be like around that 740, so quite a move down.
Almost my down sold on Tesla too.
Have 4 contracts on this trade, yeah.
Yeah, my boy.
Just down a little further. We don't want you to push up yet. Buyers are trying to push us. Don't you do it. If it pushes up any further, I'm out. If it pushes up any further, I'll be out of these shorts, everyone. Any further. I'm watching the QQ. I'm watching the QQQ and NQ chart. QQQ looks. If we can just get a close below VWAP, we should see that next move down.
That looks like, honestly, this chart looks decent for shorts after that 1 minute candle. We'll see how the 5 minute closes. You know, if I rejoin you, Grizzly. We'll see. Nothing new from me yet.
It's kind of undecided here. It's about even on the buying and selling right now. Just looking at price action. Don't you do it.
Well, no short ads for me.
Nope, it hit my entry. Just like
Actually,
that.
speaking of which, I actually didn't pay for dinner last night after tip because I paid for the whole table.
Did Brandon go out with you last night?
Oh no. You know if he came, he's definitely not paying.
Oh wow, I seen Jim Kramer just recommended to buy PLTR. Wonder what the reaction was.
Screwed.
It is pumping though.
We try to catch the pump on the lungs.
Just happy to be in the green today. See if we can catch one more trade. Have a nice Thursday, dumpster Thursday.
Dumpster Thursday.
If it's anything like yesterday was, this 5 minute will push right back down to VWAP. Then it'll push back up. Then it'll finally break pre-market high and continue on about midday. How am I in the green? Well, the first trade was lighter size, 14-point loss. Second trade, from here to here, So
1 minute volume actually looks decent for more upside.
I trimmed the amount I had on the first trade on the first trim.
See this, we're still 4 minutes away from another close though. As far as our structure goes, it really looks like price wants to retest that 830 on NQ. I just hate to get an entry, have it wake me out, and then go. Looks like price wants to retest 830 though, like up to like 832.
Well,
So you go test 830.
I'm only down 14% on my NVIDIA leaps now.
Nothing, I wish I would call that, but didn't rationalize an entry. Wait until the high. Idea was right, but ideas don't pay, execution does. Damn, there's the freaking, yeah. Oops.
But well,
There is that upside move that I did not catch the second part of.
now this is where we watch for the next high or low. That's where our entry would be if we get trimmed. No trade yet. I'm watching for one. Well, how accurate is the Grisology? Well, we've had. I did a recap on the wins on Grisology for NQ this week. We have one losing confirmation, 4 winners on this week, based off the 5 minute only. Okay, 4 winners and 1 loser. Yesterday was a losing confirmation. It went the direction, but it chopped so much that it stopped us out. As you can see, it eventually made the move, massive move, but it was, just too much drawdown to hold NQ through. Push down. I'm going to say push down, come back up for a possible entry. I can show you all the losing trade real quick if it hasn't went away yet. Right here. You can see this was the confirmation it gave us on NQ yesterday, but this was trend, and it just kind of chopped around and boom, massive move up. Just wasn't a tradable first hour or two. Not every day will be tradable.
Not a very deep pullback there.
No, I kind of figured we'd pull back a little more.
I was hoping so.
I bet GD's waiting for that retest. Gonna mute for just a second, YouTube. Well, reminded me a little bit of yesterday's price action here. Let's be patient here. This 5 minute candle is not going to be something I enter on. Well, It could be, but it'd have to have quite a bit of aggressive buying, push us back up. Right now, sellers are in control of that. This candle could change quickly, though. Yeah. Good eye, Frankie.
I'm watching closely too. I just can't decide. Prices are giving me a clear picture.
It may give it to us. Just a heads up, everyone. If I take another trade, I'm going light. I'm gonna go with the same size I had in the first trade, 2 contracts.
What are you thinking? We're gripping shorts?
No, I'm not looking for shorts right now. I think if we get the close back above pre-market high with some nice, some aggressive buying, I think that's where I'm gonna try long.
I'm biased. I love trading shorts.
I did too, man. I would even consider an entry closer to VWAP, previous day high, for longs.
Well,
You should have ripped some longs, or shorts rather. Jada?
that's what I thought. That's what I was thinking, gearing towards. Jeez Louise.
Exactly what it did yesterday, everyone.
That's what I was looking for. I just don't want to get caught in an aggressive push back up. Like I won't chase this move down. This next pop up, I'm willing to look and test shorts if price is right, but like I never chase this move down. It might work, but
Yeah, I agree. Building bad habits.
yeah. Come on, pop up to like 810. Come on.
Oh, we have more news. I mean, some days just aren't tradable. I mean, we had a 14-point loss and we had a decent winning trade. It's just part of it. I am actually working on something for you all that's going to help us determine, what days are tradable. So, going to make our lives a little easier. I say building it for everyone, building it for myself mainly, but going to hook you all up. Could be a broadening formation. A couple things could happen here. We could have a nice green close on this candle and possible long entry.
Fourth side's $3 away from bounce area.
I swear, Jaden, the market only rejects that pre-market high when you trade. Any other day, we get the trend right above it.
Oh.
You should have.
It
goes with your strategy.
So tempted this next pop up to try a little bit of shorts. I haven't yet, but I am tempted. We're still holding this intraday trend line pretty well. If you look at like the lows, all the higher lows, it's pretty much like in sync. One more big push.
Oh. Delta's trying to flip on this candle. No, it's not. There it goes. Some more aggressive sellers coming in. What did gold do this morning? Let me take a look while we got some time. You know what looks good is gold shorts. I'm not trading it, just talking out loud. All right, I'm going to mute for a second, YouTube. I'm going to be around, see if we can catch one more trade.
don't like that we
Yeah, I'm here.
aggressively off 80.
I am here.
Let's see. Risk reward's there for me. Got a pretty tight stop. I was only 1-to-1 risk reward if I would have trimmed on there, so I did not take any trims down there.
Yeah, Jadon took some shorts. I'm not in no trade right now. I think his entry was right here in this area. I'm not for sure. I'm not taking them though. Doesn't look bad, but we haven't closed below VWAP. And if we have a nice aggressive buy candle, we could possibly get a long entry. Looks good though. He has a good. I mean, if it does lose it, he got a really good entry because it's gonna have a nice move down. Well. There we go. We might have a setup now. Remember, if we take another trade, it's going to be half size. Half size. If you're green, I would just call it a day. It's a little tricky. A little tricky day. Yesterday and today has been a little tough to trade. So, just want to be clear on that. Just wanted to be clear. See how this closes. We'll decide. We'll decide if we take an entry or not by the close of this candle. I'm gonna try some longs.
Off trades I believed in them.
Are you gonna trade, Jadon?
No.
I'm looking to enter longs here. I'm gonna try some 2 NQ longs. Looking for that move back up pre-market area, pre-market high area. It has been tough. So if you're green or even break even, I probably wouldn't take any more trades today.
Like Grizzly, screw it. I'll tail it with you. I'd like to take 800 for an entry, but
I got in right at the close of that 5 minute, everyone. The previous, right there.
let's see, 800. I've not tailed yet, but I'm willing to do it. Takes one for the team.
I would love to get 21,832 out of this. Then above that high day, of course, if it doesn't sell back off here. Push up. Push.
Now it looks like we want to test that 820.
Push up.
Or not an 820, excuse me, 840. Curious what guys, they can break through this impulse candle here above like 825. We're going to go.
I moved my stop loss to entry, so this trade either go break even or make me money.
With you.
Everyone understand my game plan there? Stop loss at break even. It's either stopping me out of my entry or it's going to make us money. We're already in the green, nice. I'm looking for a pre-market high area. We're at 20 points if you all want to trim.
Oh, earlier I was at like 12 points. So actually, I was like 14 max. Didn't want to.
There we go. That's what we wanted to see.
Yeah, I was way too late. So I was going to send a scalp these long to the upside too. Some size.
I took a trim. First trim here.
There is what, yup. There's the move up. Nice call, Grizzly.
Appreciate it, man.
You killed that.
Tricked me yesterday. Didn't trick me today on this one.
There we go. That second scalp up was nice. One small green, one red trade, and then one green scalp. Now it looks like we want to get to high day. We can hold this like 840. We're for sure gonna get that pump up.
Is anybody? Wait, let me unmute for. Real quick, is anybody making any money off this trade? We've had 2 winners and 1 loser together. Give me a W. Whoa, hit my.
Holy shit!
Hit my stop loss.
That's the shorts I wanted earlier.
That was
That's
news.
the Trump.
That was news.
What's the news? That's the news. Find the news.
Hit my entry that quick.
That's why hard stops are always necessary. What's the news?
That's news. Drop the news, someone.
I just want to find out I want to see what the news is. Twitter. Walter, what's the news? That right there is the Trump market.
We had a good trim spot though. I mean,
like that, yeah. That's why you gotta always, no matter what the trade is, you always gotta have your hard stop set, even if there's a little slippage. And why I was saying what's the news is you don't want to just chase a candle like that without seeing if it's valid news or not.
it's more tariff news. I figured. More tariff news. What a wild market. Everyone understand the importance of a hard stop once you trim, or even before.
Well, we're green in the day. That's what I'm happy about. Even with that's crazy. That definitely just blew some pundits. You didn't have your stop losses in.
I mean, there's nothing we could really do about news dropping, you know? happens. Watch it buy it right back up after the overreaction. Yeah, mine didn't even get filled at my exact entry. It's a little bit in the red on the fill. It moved so quickly. Still a nice green trade. No, I lied. It filled me at my exact stop. I was looking. I was wrong. Probably because I only had one, maybe. I don't know. Wow. Well, YouTube, hopefully everyone had your stops in there. We had a nice move up, though, from our entry. We went long here, trimmed here, stop was here, pushed back down, hit our stop. We had 2 winning trades, 1 loser. The losing trade was 14 points loss on NQ. So hopefully everyone's in green. Just to be honest, the last 2 days have been tough. It's just part of trading. Probably waiting on NFP tomorrow, all the tariff news. So once that settles a little, last Trump term,
That's the Trump
yeah,
market,
Jaden's
right?
talking about it now, but last Trump, it was pretty volatile as well.
You always gotta have a hard stopping.
Kind of want to rip some shorts. I just don't trust this market. I'm calling it, YouTube. Let's call it a day. We'll come back tomorrow, end this week strong. Appreciate you. If you want Grizzology, go grizzlytrades.com. Get it on your charts. Peace.